Welcome to Getting Started with Learn at UW, Preparation and First Steps. In this section, we will cover planning your Learn at UW course, logging in to Learn at UW, and how to create a news item for your course. Before logging into Learn at UW, it's a good idea to take some time to plan how you will use your online course. A small amount of time spent doing this planning will help you to use your course in a more efficient way, as well as create a clearer presentation to your students. This is a point at which to think more in terms of course goals rather than specific Learn at UW tools. First, consider how your course is currently organized, or if it is a new course, how you would like it to be organized. Does it make sense to organize materials by week or by theme or topic? What kind of exercises are to be required of students? Do they include writing assignments, discussions, or quizzes? Consider which of these exercises could easily be achieved online. Along these lines, you should ask yourself what instructional needs an online course component might solve. Will it simply be used to ease course logistics, such as announcements, handouts, and perhaps grading? Or does it make sense for it to be used to enhance existing communications or evaluation? With this plan in hand, it is time to think about Learn at UW's toolbox. For course activities to be completed online, you can now fit the tool to match the need. For example, if you would like to have students interact about a topic outside the classroom, a discussion board may be a good fit. Many instructors start with just a few tools, so do not feel as though you need to use every tool right away. For the clearest presentation to students, it is important to disable any tools which will not be used. This process will be described in Section 3. As your course needs change, tools can always be added. To organize your content, remember that it is formatted in an outline layout. Consider whether a weekly or topical layout works best for your course. Try to think of ways to be very clear to students what they must do at a given point in the course. When appropriate, use quick links to other course tools within the content outline to make student activities clear. Now it's time to log in to Learn at UW. You can get to the Learn at UW login page by typing in learnuw.wisc.edu or by clicking the links on the wisc.edu homepage or within MyUW. Before logging in, notice the listings for news and events on the homepage. You can now log in using your UW NetID and password. If you do not yet have a NetID, visit mynetid.wisc.edu or contact Learn at UW support for more options. After logging in, you will reach the Learn at UW My homepage. You will recall that your list of available courses appears on your My homepage. If you do not see your courses, this is important, be sure to click the small plus sign to the left of the correct semester to reveal your courses. After clicking on a course name, you will reach the course homepage. Remember that this is the homepage for your course, including navbar links to all activated tools. The news box is also on the course home. This is a good location to welcome students, give them your contact or other course information, as well as to make periodic announcements throughout the semester. Let's walk through how to add a news item, including how to use the HTML editor to format the text. First, click on the plus sign for a new news item. Next, enter Welcome for the headline, and Welcome Class for the content. Click B to make the selected text bold. For more formatting options, click on the Advanced tab. Note that there is also an option to attach files to a news announcement if desired. Finish by scrolling down, if necessary, and clicking Save. To see the news item, click on Course Home. The news item now appears on the course homepage. Let's take a moment to consider these questions in the review of this section. What will you consider when planning your course? How do you expand your semester to view courses? Why might you want to use the news tool? Please review this section if the answer to any of these questions is not clear to you. Remember, help is available. For help with technical problems or questions, the Help Desk documentation features detailed help for common Learn at UW problems, or to speak with a help desk agent, call 264-HELP between 6 a.m. and 1 a.m. the following day. Additionally, for online assistance, use the Submit a Problem Online link under the Help button. The Digital Media Center is staffed with students trained to help you with your course. Contact them at 608-265-4817 for an appointment. Check with your school or department IT staff for additional support. Finally, for assistance with planning your strategy for teaching online using Learn at UW, contact Do It Academic Technology to schedule an appointment with a learning technologist. To schedule an appointment, just email academictech@doit.wisc.edu or call 262-5667. Please note that Academic Technology and the Digital Media Center are not able to give technical Learn at UW help by phone. For Learn at UW assistance by phone or email, please contact the Do It Help Desk. This concludes the Preparation and First Steps section. Please close this window and use the menu to navigate to the next section on Editing Course Options.